Introduction. Opening hooks start with an engaging introduction to capture viewers' attention. Brief overview. Provide a quick overview of the importance of the insurance in people's life. Type of insurance in USA: health insurance. Explanations of the basic health insurance. Discussion of the Affordable Care Act ACA and its impact. Auto insurance coverage requirement and option. Factor inflation. Auto insurance prisms. Home insurance, importance of homeowners or renters insurance coverage detail for different types of policies. Life insurance, purpose of types of life insurance, factor to consider when choosing a life insurance policy. Insurance companies in the USA. Major insurance company overview of the some well-known insurance provider. Consideration when choosing an insurance company. How insurance work. Premiums, distributor and coverage. Explanation of the insurance premiums. Understanding deductibles and how they impact coverage. Claims process, a step-by-step guide to filing an insurance claim. Tips for a smooth claims process. Tips of getting the right insurance. Shopping for insurance. Searching and comparing policies. Factor that can affect insurance rates. Common mistake to avoid. Pitfalls people often encounter by buying insurance. Tips for avoiding common mistakes. Change and update. Recent changes in insurance laws. Any recent update on changes in insurance laws or regulation. Conclusions. Summary and call to action. Recap key points from the video. Encourage viewers to ask questions or share their experience in the comments. Additional resource, and that's all. These are some introductions and other things. These are the different types of insurance with their details. Prism definition. The prism is the amount of the money an individual or business pays to an insurance company for the coverage. It is usually paid on a regular basis, such as monthly, quarterly, or annually. Factor inflation. Prism risk factor. Insurance companies assess risk based on the various factors such as age, health, driving history, location, and more. Coverage amount. The higher the coverage amount, the higher the premium. Deductible amount. Generally a higher deductible leads to lower premium and vice versa. Deductibles. Deductibles is the amount of the money an insurance person must pay out for the pocket before the insurance coverage kicks in. It is a form of the self insurance for smaller claims, types of deductibles involved with the amount that must be paid in the year before the insurance company start covering cost per incident applied to each separate claim of incident or incident percentage base. So a percentage of the coverage amount that must be paid. Coverage definition: coverage and health insurance coverage, auto insurance coverage, home insurance coverage, life insurance coverage, and balance act, different types, tips for managing premium and coverage. So these are the types you have to follow.